Alrighty guys, this is another elevator here at the crossing of Schererville, here in Schererville, Indiana. We got, and what you think maybe look like a vintage Dover, but wait till you see what we have inside. That's right, we have a Dover that got modded by Long. Anyway, let's go down to the lower level. Here we go, motor. These are nice elevators. Definitely we did the cabs. Long with innovation Decorator. Very rare. Oh, going down?
Sorry. I have enough blubber. I can handle it.
Okay, whatever. There's a phone. There's the indicator. Long elevator. And it's got a Dover plate up there too. Capacity of 3,500 pounds. Let's watch the one bar go out. Okay, give me one sec here. There we go. Oh, I got it. There it goes. So about the shakes. And there you have it. That's the other elevator in this building. Yeah, I guess that is going to be it for me.